Chance to explore opportunities at Duval County Public Schools for next school year. It's part of School Showcase Saturday. NEWS4JAX reporter Aaron Farrar visited 2 schools and explains how this year had a big change.
Oh, you like it? Oh, yeah.
Oliver is ready to start preschool. He and his mom, Jessica Bell, taking a tour of San Jose Elementary, where he might attend next school year for VPK.
I want him to be somewhere where the teachers are really involved and kind and comfortable classroom, and that's what this looks like it has. So.
Bell joining hundreds of parents and students around the district today for a showcase, getting the chance to explore options available for a new school next year. The biggest change for the showcase this year is instead of it being over at the Prime Osborne Center, which is just one location, which was typical in the past, all 153 schools in the Duval County public school system has its doors open, just like here at San Jose Elementary School. Parents and students able to walk down the hallways and get a tour of their potential new school. This school, known for its dual language program, where students can learn half the day in English and half the day in Spanish, being close to being bilingual by the time they go to middle school.
To, bring families in and get to see in action, what our school has to offer and really see the environment.
Parents have until February 28th to submit applications. Reporting, I'm Aaron Farrar, Channel 4, the local.